Yeah, right guys, just down Lancing Park. We've got an hour before school breaks out, and this place is full of scooters. Maybe even less time until it rains because it's looking pretty grim. So I'm going to try and get a few of the classics, do a few of the routine standards, just to have a skate before the rain or the kids turn up. Let's have it. Well, managed to beat the rain, didn't manage to beat the scooters. They've just turned up, so calling the skate on that. Got about 45 minutes, which is pretty good. Landed a few of the classic tricks, got warmed up, felt quite comfortable. So yeah, all in all, good little warm up. Happy with the skate. In a bit.